Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TWTR. We are going to look at the 5-minute chart. Unless you live under a rock, I'm sure you know that today was the Twitter IPO, so we're just going to look at the day number one chart and just break things down from there. So here we are, like I said, looking at the 5-minute chart real quick. If you're not familiar with charting, 5-minute chart, when I say that, what I mean by is instead of each one of these bars or candlesticks as they're known representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents 5 minutes worth of time. So although this looks like, this could be multiple days or whatever, it's only one day. We're just looking at 5-minute increments. Obviously today, like I said, was the IPO, so there's only been one day of trading history, and it didn't even open up right at 9:30 today. So this is actually less than one day, but nonetheless, I know I've gotten a lot of questions on it, and I just want to kind of update things here after day number one in the history of Twitter. So first thing I want to point out is had a pretty depressing close, I would say, but not too shocking given its IPO nature. Nice afternoon here, and then pretty much the bears just took over, and this latter portion of the day, basically every 5-minute period was red. Few green candles in there, but just seemed like red period after red period. So the kind of hammer really dropped down on it here. Now it's just a matter, and the big question becomes, does this hammer carry on into tomorrow? And unfortunately, if I were to have to guess, I would say it looks like it is headed into tomorrow based on this last portion of the price, the price action here. This level right here that I just mapped out is right there basically at $45. Right when it opened, the lowest it went was $44.99. And then you can see multiple times over here it kept bouncing off it. When it did fall below it right here, you can see it drop down pretty quick. But this is when it was just extremely, up and down action all over the place. So yes, it did shoot down there real quick, but it then shot right back up here. And then in this latter portion, you can see right here again $45 being tested, and then in the last portion of the day right here, you can see that it failed and the price closed below it. Now it's not like the price severely closed below it, but 45 was really doing such a good job the entire day. So to see it fail at this last portion, doesn't bode well for the bulls. And like I said, I think that is going to lead into this hammer action continuing into tomorrow. So, we'll see if I'm wrong or not. Definitely pretty hard to tell given the chart only has one trading day. But, looking at the data that we have available right now on the chart, the $45 level, not being able to hold isn't the most encouraging thing. So we'll see what transpires from that. But that's really all I have, just because very limited data that we can tell from the chart. So we'll need to get some more days here. But for the time being, I'm feeling a little bit bearish on it short term. We'll see what happens though going forward. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, and you enjoy the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click on the picture above. We have instant download courses for both a beginner and advanced trader. They've been getting great third-party reviews and testimonials. So if you're looking to get started on something right away, like I said, they are instant download. Then I'd encourage you to click up there and give them a try. One more time, so it's TWTR. Thanks for listening.